Apple MFI means that these cables can be used with complete confidence that they meet or exceed Apple's rigorous standards for iOS accessories. The reversible Type-C connector is always properly oriented. The generous 50-micron thick gold plating ensures that the connectors will not corrode or rust. USB-C to Lightning cable allows you to rapidly charge with up to 18 watts of power delivery, PD, using a compatible USB-C PD charger. You can also sync data to and from your Apple iOS device. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect size. This cord is the perfect size for the car so that there isn't a need to tie it or have extra cord in the way. Nice and neat. Quality cable. I've used Monoprice for AV cables for years. They make excellent quality stuff. Great short cable. Short size charging cable who has met my needs.